Good evening, ladies. Welcome to Kearns High School. My name is Tanya Hipwell. I'll be your audio judge this evening with Aspire Dance competitions. Great costumes, beautiful opening, nice aerials, awesome control in the needle scale, good pirouettes, wow, beautiful high leaps, nice flexibility. Watch your spacing here. Make sure that you're staying centered on the floor. Awesome job on those pirouettes. Awesome flexibility. Nice torso work with your upper body. Watch the timing there, just a little bit off. Love all of the variety with the arms. Awesome control in that front walkover. Wow, look at that flexibility, super impressive. Nice emotions so far. Make sure you keep your posture nice and lifted, sit up tall. Awesome individual sections here. Great use of your space and using all of your floor. Fantastic teamwork here. Make sure you keep your chins lifted just a little bit more. Wow, that is fantastic. That was really nice and clean on the timing with the turns. Great floor work here. Love the music, really nice and original. Super timing so far, really impressive routine so far. You guys really work well together. Great front walkover. Beautiful routine. Wow, that was probably the best routine I've seen tonight. Really nice and clean. Fantastic performance, ladies. Thank you so much.
149.